Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 22nd of February 2025 and I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for the S&P 500 for the upcoming expiry on the 28th. The max OI level is 6,000, the max OI level has, and for CE and PE has decreased, which is negative. Quantity is higher for PE, which is negative. Change is higher for CE, which is positive. Short squeeze, it seems it has not saved, but let me fix that. Seems the version history didn't load. Regardless, the value was higher for PE, which is negative. Implied volatility is higher and historical volatility is lower. That's a negative and a positive respectively. The RSI is lower, that's negative. There is a divergence, that's negative. MACD is negative as well. The ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is lower, that's positive. Both EMAs are higher, that's two positives. VWAP is higher. The pivot point is higher as well, that's two positives. And the candlestick is negative. The current support is 5,970. The previous week's, 2 weeks ago's support was 6,000. The current resistance is 6,000, and the 2 weeks ago's resistance was 6,050. And the overall prediction is that the S&P 500 goes down. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.